and welcome to Jolly Phonics lesson, and today's letter is letter J. Let's see few picture. If you recognize, please tell the name. So these are the pictures. They all start with same sound. Do you know what sound it is? I tell you. Z. Let's practice the sound together. Try it. Z. J. Z. J. Z. J. Z. Well done. The action we'll use to remember the sound, it is very funny and very interesting. Try with me. Now move your arms like this. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Wow, just wow. So I will give you one activity in which you have to find one more word that starts with this sound, Z. Okay? So think. Yes, I found it and I wear it. Yes, you guessed right. Jaja jacket. Jaja jacket. Yes. So today's lesson ends here. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye.